In primetime news this evening, $1 billion and counting, the preliminary estimate for the rain damage. Trapped, residents marooned in Old Harbour desperate for assistance. And we will recover. Optimistic Prime Minister to visit devastated communities.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what was your experience this weekend with the heavy rains associated with Tropical Storm Zeta?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.